Hello everybody, welcome to my video today. Today I thought I would walk you through some of my Christmas albums. Some I've done in the daily December form where you document one story a day. Some albums I've just used, I've just put all of our Christmas layouts into certain albums, and I thought I would just share with you guys the different things that I've done. So years and years ago, I did this one. This is just a red album. It's an old style album that has the like the little pegs that keep your album together. I put a piece of scrapbook paper and then I did like the Mod Podge stuff over it to hold it, and then I added the ribbon. And then in here, see, this was 2010. These are just all of our all the things that we did for Christmas that year. This is back when I used my Cricut quite a bit. And for many, many years, we would travel to Nevada to be with my grandparents. We haven't done that in many years. My grandma passed away in 2016, and so it's been a long, we haven't done that. My grandpa and my mom have come here. But you can see that these were layouts that I did. We didn't even have Andrew. We just had Kayla and Violet, and they were both very little. I think this was Violet's first Christmas. But these were just the layouts that we did. And then I put, you can see this is 2015, and I put in these were done in the Project Life app. And so I went ahead and I put in these because I had space in this album, and I just thought it would be nice for all of our Christmas stuff to be in one space. And so these were just done in the Project Life app. It makes it really easy to do the layouts in the app. And I had quite a few that year. You can see not everything got journaled, but there were quite a few layouts in there. So, and then I still do have several pieces here that I could put in some more app pages if I want. And then in 2014, I did this mini album. Again, this wasn't really December daily style. It was just the pictures that I had taken. And there's not that many, and I didn't even do the journaling. You can see. So just really simple. I used the Stampin' Up! Kit for that year and did it, and then I did a little 6x8 album, and I just put some paper on it and wrapped some ribbon around it. And then this is 2016. I actually just did it in my family Project Life album. So this is my album. I do 2 a year. So this is 2016. It's volume 2, and it's July through December. It's a little hard to see my label there. And so if we just flip all the way back here to December, you can see I just did all of my December daily, which I was following like a story a day kind of thing. And I did that all in my album here. So we start off and we have this clear piece of acetate, and I just have some Christmas stuff there, and then like a title kind of page, and I did it in the Stampin' Up! Kit for the year, and I did a lot with the craft cardstock. So you can see I have an insert, I have a calendar here that I did our favorite Christmas movies. Here's another insert. I did an insert here, and then I did a regular style scrapbook page. And then I had plans to do this. This was the year my grandmother passed away, and it was a very, very hard Christmas. It was a real struggle that year. And then I have another insert. And then that is how that ends right there in my album. So this was 2016. Close this up. And then I'll share with you 2017. And I honestly, I don't remember what I did for 2018 or last year. I've been trying to think. So this I did, this is a Allie Edwards album, and I did the story a day kind of philosophy. And I just did, you can see here, day 1. And this is the only year that I worked on the project pretty much each day. Towards the end of the month, it got a little bit harder, and you'll see that not everything is done in this album. All the photos are in, but just not all the journaling is done. And that was because I was really working on this as the days went on. And so I feel like when you're working on something each day, it's a little bit easier to like keep up with it or do maybe more crafty things. Make sure all the pieces get done. We did Here's Christmas Movies. You'll notice that lots of the same things throughout the years. You know, we do a lot of the same things. We watch the same Christmas movies. We do the same Christmas lighting and Santa Claus thing in our little town. And I feel like that doesn't bother me. I like that we have some of those traditions and the different things that we do. Some of my Christmas favorite things, another tag. And then you see, as we start to like get closer to Christmas, things start getting a little unfinished. My tabs here aren't stamped. And you'll see some of my numbers don't get placed down. Here's day 17. I showed the wrapping paper I would use. You can see there's still some notes in here about what was supposed to happen. I think I'll just take those out. You can see my numbers didn't get glued down. Here was the little Christmas play that Andrew was in when he was in kindergarten. This is a card, and you can see that photo didn't get put down. It certainly does get crazy towards the end of the year. My husband's Christmas party, our Christmas tree, Christmas morning with my grandpa. This would have been the year after my grandmother passed away, and so it was the first year that Christmas was at my house. And it was a little bit of a difficult year, given that it was the first year that my grandma wasn't with us. But it was the first year that I had family that came to my house. And then we ended Christmas celebrating with a friend, and I just have a plastic envelope and then a little thing my daughter made. So I will put these out during Christmas for everybody to see. And then let me share with you what I'm doing this year. I'm doing another small 6x8 album. I've just taken one of Stampin' Up's album. I've covered it with paper, and that's how I will do it. I will do it much like I did this album, where I work on it pretty much daily, and I'm telling one story a day. So thank you so much for checking out what I'll be doing for December and my December daily projects, my scrapbooking albums for Christmas. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're brand new, I would love for you to subscribe. I will be sharing more of my December daily album as we go through December, and as we go, get into the holidays. I will definitely be sharing what I'm working on and how it's turning out. And I would love to know if you're doing this project as well. I always love to know what you're working on. And I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll be back next week to share with you some more projects that I've been working on for the holidays. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.